Okay, so let's get into this wig tutorial. I'm gonna be using a wig from Wigencounters.com. They did send me out a Indian Remy hair wig. It is natural black, 14 inches, 180 density. It does have the 13 by 6 parting space. The cap size, it is average. The lace is light brown, and there's 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and you will get a pre-plucked front, as well as the knots are bleached on the front. So with this wig, you do not have to do nothing at all except cut the lace. And do you see that hairline? Like, the hairline on this wig is so freaking gorgeous. I love the hairline. The lace, like I said, is a light brown. I did use lace tint to go ahead and get the tint to look my shade, so that's why it looks the color it does. Starting off, I am going to go ahead and cut the ear tabs on the sides. And then I do take this white eyeliner, or you could take whatever color you want to take, and I just mark where I want to lay the glue at. If you are like a beginner, this will be like an easy trick for you to do. And then we'll be using my Bold Hold active glue. With this right here, I ran out of glue, so I used 2 layers of the Bold Hold, and then I used 1 layer of the Janet, the Absolute, I want to say. And that was a terrible idea. I don't know if it was because I added the layers on top of each other, but the Janet, I do not like that glue. I do not like that glue. When I did wear this wig, I did like go out of town, so I was out in the sun. I think it was like 100 degrees. Usually with my Bold Hold, once I wear it, you might see it look like oily almost, as if, but it doesn't like raise. It still looks good. With the Janet, the glue looked raised, like I had took the wig off and tried to put it back on. I did not like that. And then as I was laying the wig down, it did look like I had a pile of makeup on and I only had the lace tint. So if my hairline does look a little funky, it's because I did use that Janet glue, and I'm not gonna be using that glue no more, because I love how the hairline look. Like, as you see, I'm using the razor comb. It looks flawless. And even me using the razor comb, I was trying to see if I was gonna like it or not using the razor comb versus using the scissors, but because of how the glue was, it did not look all that great. But the hairline is freaking bomb. And then my dang lace was sliding back almost because of that doggone, that glue. So I don't like it. I don't know if I'm gonna try it one more time. I don't know. I'm not sure. So I'm not gonna put any baby hairs in the front at all. I'm just gonna put some baby hairs. Not baby hairs. I don't know why I keep saying baby hairs. I'm just gonna put some sideburns on each side. And I just used the Nairobi styling foam mousse. And then I'm going to be using some heat protectant to go ahead and just hot comb the front just to get it to be like flat. With this wig, I didn't do like a part. I really did the flip over method, and then I applied water I used some Motions styling mousse, and then I did use some Eco Styler Gel, the olive oil kind, and that was basically it that I did with this wig. I will talk more in the outro, but I just want to come on and talk about the lace glue because my wig looked so freaking tacky because of the lace glue that I did use. But overall, even though it was like that, I still love how the lace melt into the skin. It did look really, really pretty. I loved it. But that is it. I will catch you guys in the outro. So to start out, the wig is basically done for you, which I really, really love. I did not have to go in and bleach the knots. The knots are bleached. I did not have to go and pluck the hairline. The hairline is already plucked. Usually when you get like wigs, they're already pre-plucked, but then you go on top of it and pluck some more. This wig, you do not have to do that at all. The wig is already plucked for you, and it's like plucked to the T. Is really, really pretty. The knots are bleached, so once you put it on, you are good to go. The lace is light brown, so I did have to apply some lace tint on top of that so I can get it to blend in. You can apply makeup if you want to, but that's all I did and cut off the lace. It's very, very simple wig. If you are a beginner, I would recommend you going to try out this company because I really, really love the wig and I love how the texture looks. I did just add a baby hair. I did not put any baby hairs along the perimeter. I just added sideburns, and I did not put any hair along the perimeter, and it looks good. So can nobody tell you nothing like the wig is done for you. If you're a beginner, this wig is for you. The only thing is that the hair sheds. That's it. But it is curly hair. Curly hair is going to shed. It's not shedding when you're just walking around. It's only when you're running your hands through it. So that's it. But other than that, I really, really love this hair. It is big head friendly. You do get the 13x6 parting space, so you do get a lot to work with. I just have the flip over method, but the hair it does look good. Like when you part the hair, it looks really, really bomb. So I really, really love this wig. Out of all wigs that I have received, I really, really love this wig. So I will leave the details down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, oh, my lord, come on. But if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will be posting this makeup look soon. So